all that points about SMS. S is social distance, maintain social distance, use mask and use soap or sanitizer, wash your hands regularly. Okay, now what we studied in the previous session? Changing of mixed fractions. Improper fractions, how can we change it into mixed fraction, that we studied. And ascending order, if different denominators are given, how can we arrange the same denominators and how can we arrange the ascending order, that we studied. Now in exercise 1, third sum, that is page number 30, open that page number 30, all of you open your textbooks, page number 30. Okay ma'am, page number 30, see third sum. This is table. Okay, what he is saying, in this table, either horizontal or vertical or diagonal, if you add it, you will get the same answer. That is 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13. If you add it, you are getting the same answer. Okay? See, this table I will write. Third sum. Okay, first one 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 7 by 13, 11 by 13, 12 by 13, 1 by 13, 8 by 13. Okay, check in the following square whether in the square the sum of the numbers in each row and in each column and along the diagonal is the same. So you have to check it whether this, if you add it, you are getting the same answer in the horizontal column and vertical as well as diagonal. Diagonal means like this. This is called diagonal. Okay, we'll see it. Now add this first row. What you are getting here? 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. Then what the answer you are getting? All the denominators are same. So you can add it. Then what you will get, ma? 6 plus 13. 6 plus 13 plus 2 by 13. So what you are getting? 6 plus 13. 19. 19 plus 2. 21. 21 by 13. Similarly this one. How much you will get? 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13 is equal to 3 plus 7 plus 11 by 13. Now 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 11, 21, 21 by 13. Now last row, 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13 is equal to 12 plus 1 plus 8 by 13. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 by 13. Now we got the same answer for all horizontal rows, no? All rows you got the same answer. Now what you have to see? Column. Column means these vertical lines are called column. Now column also we will add 6. This column, here I am writing the answer. 6 plus 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Then what the answer, ma? Again you are getting same. All the denominators are same means you can take that only the LCM. Now 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 12, 21 by 13. Again this second column. 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. That equal to 13 plus 7 plus 1 by 13. 13 plus 7, 20 plus 1, 21 by 13. Now last column. Last column 2 by 13 plus 11 by 13 plus 8 by 13. That equal to 2 plus 11 plus 8 by 13. 2 plus 11, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 by 13. Now what will be left? diagonals. Diagonals means this one, like this, corner to corner. Now 6 by 13, this is the diagonal. Symbol arrow mark I am keeping like this. Now 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. Okay. Now add this 3. 6 plus 7 plus 8 by 13. Now 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 by 13. Now one more diagonal. This one, 2 by 13, 7 by 13, 12 by 13. This diagonal answer here I will write. Okay. This one here I will write. That is how much, ma'am? 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13. That equal to 2 plus 7 plus 12 by 13. That is 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 by 13. See, if you observe, all the rows are answers are same. All the vertical column, that is column answers are also same, and two diagonals, some of the diagonals also same. So any way you will do that, you are getting the same answer. So this is the answer for third one. Okay, ma'am? This is the third sum. This is the third sum. Now fourth one. See the textbook. Fourth one. Now understand this one? Okay. Like that only you have to fill in the classwork also. Same. How I did. Same way you have to do. Now open the textbook and fourth one. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. So what is given, ma? The paper. Now see, this textbook is in the which shape? It is a rectangular shape or square shape? Rectangular. So rectangular shape means length and breadth. Now what is given that you have to write first. Now fourth one, what is given? Long. Long is nothing but length. So length of the paper. Length of the paper. Or sheet you can write nothing, anything wrong is not there. So you can write the paper or sheet. Now length of the paper is equal to how much? 5 2 by 3 centimeter. Okay. Again wide. Wide is nothing but breadth. Breadth of the paper. Breadth of the paper. How much breadth? 1 by 5 centimeter. Then what you have to find, ma? Perimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Huh? What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, ma? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is that? 2 of L plus B. What is the area of a rectangle? L into B. What is the area of a square? Side into side. What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square 4s. So please remember this one. Okay. Now perimeter of a rectangle we have to find. That is 2 into L plus B. 2 of L is nothing but length. Length how much is given? 5 2 by 3 plus breadth is 3 1 by 5. Okay. Now 2 of, this is a mixed fraction, change into improper first. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 plus 3 5s are 15, 1, 16 by 5. Now 2 of, here 5 and 3 are different, so there is no common table. Take one LCM as product of the two numbers. Now in 3 table how many times 15 will come? 5 times. 5 into 17 plus in 5 table 15 will come 3 times into 16. Now 2 into 15, 5 into 17. 17 5s are 5 sevens are 35. 3 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. 8. 85. Plus 16 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 1. 3 ones are 3. 1 4. 48 by 15. That equal to 2 into. Now add this 2. 8 plus 5. 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4. 5. 5 plus 8, 13 by 15. Okay. Now, multiply 2 into 133. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 by 15. 266 by 15. This is an improper fraction. Now, what you will do? You have to change into mixed fraction. Now, by 15, you divided by 266. Okay. 15 ones are 15. 6 minus 5, 1. Here 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here you can carry down 6 down. Now 116. In 15 table, how many times 116 will go? Suppose see 8. 8 5s are 44. 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12. 120. It is very more. So don't take more than that. You have to take equal or less. Now 7 will see. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. 105. Okay, it is sufficient. 15 7s are 105. Now minus 6 minus 5 1. Here 1. So what is the fraction? What is the mixed fraction now? 17 11 by 15. What is this? Perimeter is in centimeters. Okay. When you are finding the area, then you can write square. When you are finding perimeter, just you have to write the units only. Don't write square there. Now, therefore we must write no. What we find? We find the perimeter of a sheet. Therefore, perimeter of a what? Here up I will write. It is not a sufficient place here. Well, up I will write. Therefore, perimeter of a paper or rectangular sheet, whatever it will be, you can write, no problem, is equal to 17 11 by 15 centimeters. Okay, so 17 11 by 15 centimeters is the perimeter of a paper. Okay, ma'am? Now, fifth one. The recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/4 cup of flour. Now, how many more cups of flour does she need? See, recipe requires. Radha want to make one recipe. For that recipe, she requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. But how much cups of flour she is having? Only 1 3/8. Okay, so how much more she required? So what you have to do? You have to divide it. How much it will be required? You can find. Okay, you will divide up, you will subtract. What you will do? From total, how much it will be, that you have to subtract. Then you will get how much will be required. Understood? Not divide. Now, write the steps for that sum. Okay, this is easy only, you can do, ma. This seventh one is tough, that I want to explain. This fifth one I explained, no? First what you will write? Recipe required. Recipe required the flour is equal to 3 1/4 cups. Next step, Radha has. Radha has how many cups of flour? 1 by 3/8. Now, after that, according to the sum, you will write 3 1/4 minus 1 3/8. Then change the mixed fractions into improper. Then take the LCM and do. You will get the answer. Okay. Then sixth one. Abdul is preparing for his final exams. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. Find out how much course content is left. How much means Abdul is preparing his exams. For his exams he is preparing. But he completed only 5 by 2 part of that content. But how much content will be there? Here number is not given. So on the whole we can take it as 1. Okay. So in that 1, total on the whole part 1, we completed 5 by 12th part. So what you will do? 1 minus 5 by 12. If you do it, you will get the answer. Okay ma? This 7th one is tough. The 2 times you have to do that one. That's why that sum I will explain 7th one. Now 5th and 6th are homework. Okay? What is your homework? Your homework is exercise 1, 5th and 6th sums. 5th and 6th sums. Only 2 I given and I explained also how to do it. Okay ma? Now, see 7th one just explanation I will give. Remaining working part we will do in the next session. Okay? See what is given in this question. Find the perimeter of. See diagram I will draw first. See one rectangle is there. One rectangle and one triangle. One rectangle and one triangle they given. One rectangle and one triangle they given. Then measurements. The measurements are. This is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now this is 4 2 by 3 centimeter. This is 3 1 by 3 centimeter. This is 2 1 by 5 centimeter. This is 1 2 by 3 centimeter. Like this is given. Then what is asking? Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. ABE. This perimeter, this triangle perimeter we have to find first bit. Second bit, the rectangle BCDE in this figure. So both this is a rectangle, no? BCDE. This rectangle perimeter and this rectangle, this triangle perimeter you have to find. After that, what you have to do? Which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? So after getting these 2 perimeters, you have to compare. Which perimeter will be more? Which perimeter will be more? That you have to say, and by how much? Means you have to subtract. So this much of work we have to do for this diagram. That we will do in the next session. Okay ma? If you know it, I said now first you find the perimeter of triangle, perimeter of rectangle, and you have to subtract it, then you will get the answer. If you know it, you can do. Otherwise, next session I will explain this sum. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.